Morning guys, January 8th, 2021. This one here I got a call from a lady I've worked for in the past. I guess she's got a toilet that's leaking, running type of thing. So talked to her yesterday. I guess she's gonna probably be home today. She wanted me to come by this morning and see if I could fix her. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. See if I could fix it. See if I can fix her shitter. You want me to fix her shitter, Molly? Oh yeah, he does. He wants me to fix her shitter. The leaker. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. You want kisses? You're looking very stylish there today, Miss Molly. Anyway, we're going to go over there and see what's going on with the toilet. Hopefully it's just something simple, or maybe a flap or a fill valve or something. And I don't even know what kind of toilet it is. So we'll go over there and see what we can do for the lady. See if we can fix it. If we can't fix it, we'll replace it. Give it the old, how you doing, Mama? Yo, give it the old, how you doing? Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there with the shitter cam. We can set up the shitter cam over there and see if we get some shots. Steve is working again, Mama. Steve is working again, y'all. You want kisses? Oh yeah, you love kisses. You love kisses. Yeah, it could be that flapper, maybe. So it keeps running?
Yes.
Do you try to catch it?
Tried.
Let's see if it's the flapper. Could be. See, it's a little cattywampus there.
So I have these things that I had bought before. Because it was, you know, doing that same thing.
Yeah, I don't know. Let me see what it's doing. Let me
So
fill
I'll
it and
just leave
find
it
out.
here.
Yeah, that's a special flapper. I have that one in the truck.
Okay.
It's a cold one. I don't know if that's the right flapper for it. See if it shuts off. Might just be the flapper. Make sure it doesn't go over the overflow. It shuts off, and then it's the flapper that's the issue. Yeah, it seems to be okay. It's probably the flapper. Ooh. I'll try putting in a flapper, I guess. parts here, so I use them. See how it flushes. It's fine, one flush. See, the handle gets stuck. Hold there, Miss Molly. Hold there, Princess. Miss Princess. Alright, I'm back.